Hi guys, welcome back to Triple T Golf. If you're new to the channel, please watch the video. If you like it, consider subscribing. Drop us a like and drop us a comment introducing yourself. If you're a returning viewer, again, drop us a comment, let us know what you think of the video. You join me down at Shadwell in Leeds, and we're at the sister course of the village golf course that we've filmed a few times now. This is Brandon. The family own both golf courses, and I just thought, do you know what? I'm fed up of this weather. We're going to end up like Waterworld soon, and for the younger people that watch the channel, that's a film that's got lots of water in it. The UK is going to be underwater soon, so let's get out there, let's play a little bit of golf while we've still got a bit of grass. I think it'll be a good matchup for my current sort of skill level, because there's longer par 3s, shorter par 4s and a par 5 chucked in the mix as well. There is 14 holes down here. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to play them all, but there's 14. The class is an 18-hole course, because obviously you play the first 4 again to sort of make that 18, and you come back somewhere in the middle. So we've got the Druids Tour S1 ball for the first time. I'm just going to take it quite simple with this first swing. I've got quite a few layers on, to be honest. Right, Druids ball, here we go. So we've got 200 yards, well, 190 yards, hybrid in hand. Just right at green. We've got a 58 in hand. We've got a nasty bunker to get over. We have got about 17 yards. Greens look nice. 17 yards, 58 degree Smithworks wedge in hand. Let's see if we can get over. And we're over. That's about as good as it gets. It's got about 40 yards. It's going a lot shorter than what I thought it did. But when I look at the green and the flag, the wind's flying into my face. So it's probably playing more like 60, like 58 again. A little bit more conviction this time round. Still could have done with a little bit more, I think, but it's just so poggy. Okay, so we've got about, I don't know, 20 footer for par. Lots of debris on this green, but it's still quite solid underfoot. It's good. I don't know how much you're catching of this. Obviously, it's quite a strong wind. So this is for par. Oh, we had the line. There's nowhere near. Oh, there's water in. Oh. Another bogey, 2 over for the day. First of the par 4s, and it's a very short one. So I'm going to go with my driving iron. Anywhere left of that tree will be perfect. The wind's going to the right, so if I hit it left, it should be perfect. Let's hit it first. again. Not liking my swing this morning. 58 again with 20 yards to the right. I'm just going to clean my ball because it's got lots of mud on it. If I'm looking at this, the green's got a massive right to left kick to it. I actually caught that off the hosel then. I think I was trying to get too far under it to try and get it to stop. Take the picture when I was trying to bump it down. Stop then. Stop then. Yeah, it'll take par. Right, then we're going to get his driver out on this one. 250 yard. Par 4. Is it par 4? Yeah, par 4. Lovely looking hole. A Druid's ball. Cut up. Druid's ball. It's got a right slice in that. I don't know when that's happened. Also playing with these little fancy things. Let's see if you can see it on camera. But, you see it? So basically you hit your drive. It's supposed to go like that. And therefore it stops it from snapping. So, yeah. First time today with the driver. Pulled it horribly to the left hand high. Awful drive. We've skied the driver. We've left ourselves about 100 yards over these trees. Could be good. Oh, it's not. It's short and it's to the left. Oh dear. Actually, it wasn't actually that short. It was just a little bit to the left. Okay, so we've got pitching wedge in hand just to try and bump it on. It's uphill green. Left to right again. Not that left to right, you idiot. Giving herself a difficult par putt again as usual. Be nice to make this. Back to back pars, I suppose. Yay! Just about. Just about. Don't know if it's... Oof, this isn't going to go anywhere. Okay, so we're on hole 5. First and only par 5. It is a stinker with the wind. This isn't going to go anywhere. So you've got 440 yard par 5. We've pulled it to the left. I don't know. Yeah, it's a little bit of a pull, a little bit of a... Saying that, we're straight from middle. Right, so we've got 250 to go. We've recently got a new 3-wood. We're not really getting on with it, but the whole purpose I bought it was for shots like this, so the lower the better, really. The flag again is straight over these trees to the left hand side of the fairway. I'm going to hopefully get it over these. Oh Tony, everything's going left. It was a nice connection, but I'm not looking forward to seeing what my next shot's going to look like. Okie doke, so we've got lucky again. Well, lucky-ish. Flag's there. I've got about 80. I've got a 52 in hand. Nope, short as usual. 20 yard away. I'm going to go for 52 again. I want a little bit more run. Not too much though, because looking at this, it actually goes quite steep left to right. Tricky little greens, some of these. Nice little water features. I'll tell you what, it'd be lovely this in summer, I think. I can't remember when me and my dad played it last time. Oh, Tony. I bottom groove that something chronic. That was horrible. I am not... Woo. I am not playing well. Right. This is going to be fun. Downhill right to left. This for par. Decent enough line. All six, 230 odd yards, whatever it is. Wind smacking me against the face. That's what I'm on about. I don't know how it's possible. Seems like every hole I've played, bar the first one, has been into wind. And this wind's not just a little wind. It's a very powerful wind. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm hoping you can't too much. But if you can see that flag in the distance and them trees, that's going mental. So let's just try and get it down there best we can. Stop pulling everything left, you moron. Let's come down in the middle. Oh, my unsnappable tee snapped. Second shot then, half decent driving wind. Ah! Okay. Right people, we've got the first look at birdie. Uphill, right to left. We'll take another par. So this is a bit unfamiliar to us really, because we've got, to start as a par 4, it's over 250 yards, sun's out. You can't see this on camera, but I think the line's there. I can't remember. So this could be the first Druids ball that we lose here people, but let's see. I might be too right. So that shot was actually that bad. It's actually spun back. Pretty much spun back from my driver. Second shot here, we've got about 65 to pin. And we've got a very strong wind behind us now and going to it right. Wow, that's just plugged. That's just plugged. Pulled it left like everything today. Right, we're going to have to use a pitching wedge because it has pretty much plugged. Right, we need to be up and down for par. Oh, we've still left us something to do there. Hey! There's a very strong wind. It's out of bounds to your left. A lot of crap to your right. All this stuff in front of you here as well. So I'm just going to take my driving iron and try and keep it in the fairway and get it down there somehow. Just some way down. Yeah, that is perfect. It's carried some as well with that wind. Okay. Right, so yeah, like I said, lovely little driving iron shot. We've got 90 to the front. Gonna go with the pitching wedge. I think I've gone very close to that water. Very close, I might have even gone in. So as suspected, I'm an idiot. And I said, oh, there's water there. I've got to stay away from water. No, straight in it. So I've took a drop down here. So we need to really chip this in for 4. Chip it in for par maybe. Oh, length were alright. Oh no! On to the last hole. Right, 9th hole. Wind's going ridiculously strong that way. There's water in front, as you can see as well, so keep driver low. Let's go with a low tee and try and use driver. Final hole. At least we've got some marketing out there if they collect the late balls. Nice course, very nice course. Very tricky, short but tricky. I'm going to definitely come back in summer with boys and film a bit of a review down here. Right, we can't pull it left. Cannot see at all where that's gone. No idea. Right, so here we are for number 2. We've got about, I don't know, we just need a bump and run on. Pitching wedge in hand. Oh, I just stopped with water. It was a nice shot that. Come on, Tony, it'd be lovely to try and sink this. Get a birdie. It's a difficult green again though, and it's very wet. Yeah, this one is very, very wet. Get that one. Go, go, go! Oh, you bugger. Oh. Oh, what's that? That is not a nice colour of water. It's a lovely little golf course. Honestly, the village golf course is lovely. Brandon, it's short, but it's tricky. I think that's what makes it quite good. So I look forward to coming down in the summer with the lads. But from Triple T Golf today, don't forget, smash that like button, give us a subscribe. Cheers guys, hope you enjoyed the video.